Welcome to this new episode of the Siren Video Byte series, where I provide insider tips and tricks on Siren most popular features. Hi everyone, I am Davide, a data scientist here at Siren. In the past videos, some of you asked how we can import our own data into the Siren Investigate platform. So today we're going to show how easy it is to use Siren and import some data. Specifically, we will focus on call details record, and we will perform some quick analytics and create a link chart. So as we can see on the screen, we don't have any call details record for the past 30 days. And what I want to do, I want to import some CDR record into the system. But before doing that, I don't want to pollute the home data space, which can be used also by my colleagues. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a data space. And I'm going to call it Siren Bytes importing data. And I'm going to clone it from the home data space so that I already have a structure. I can choose here an icon, for example, a telephone, since I'm going to focus on call details record. I can pick a color. I can say I want to create private data space for CDR analytics. So I'm going to create this data space now, and it's going to appear here, Siren Bytes importing data. So now that I have created my Siren Byte data space, I can proceed and start ingesting my new CDR records. So I'm going to add data to my CDR index from a CSV file. I'm going to drag here the file, check that we have all the fields. And then I'm simply going to select as the target table my CDR records. And check that everything is fine. As you can see, some of the target fields are already linked with my CSV because they have the same kind of data. The time is missing, so I'm going to just drag the time in the timestamp target field and test the transformer. Get no error, so it seems that it's fine. I'm going to start loading the data into the system, and now we can see that we have our 1,400 calls in January, in the last 30 days. And I can start proceeding with the analysis, January and December, last couple of months. So to continue with the analytics, I can go to the dashboard. And I can see that now my dashboard is populated because we have the last 30 days of calls. And I can immediately see that we have 55 callee, so a unique count on the field callee, and the same for the caller, so I have 2 callers, and some more advanced graphs where I can see the 2 caller and who they call, and the average number of call and the call duration. And I can already start doing some perform quick analysis. So for example, by filtering on one of the caller. So now I have one caller that called 33 persons, and I could, by holding the control button, create 3 filter on the callees. Now I can, what I want to do, I can explore the network of these calls. And to do so, I'm going to go to the graph browser, drag in not all the calls, because otherwise would be too many nodes. I would clutter the graph. But what I want to do is I want to use the aggregate relation, right? So I want to expand on the caller by pivoting on the calls. And here I have this very nice now network. So my main caller and who they called. And I can save these as an image and send it to my colleagues. So in today's byte, we learned how to create a new data space. So our own personal space where we can perform analysis and import data without affecting other people's works. We learned how to add on top of an existing source new data by using our CSV and Excel import. And we even performed a quick analysis on the data that we imported. And we shared a graph of the network of the calls with our colleagues. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell. Don't forget to subscribe. And please feel free to ask for more content. If you're curious about any particular feature of Siren, you can ask it in the comment and we will be more than happy to provide that for you. Thanks for watching.